見面啫。
Anna, so you're here. I've missed you so.
有咩好得過見到佢哋兩姊妹兩個？
媽咪，我咪 Elsa，我係 Elsa。
邊個㗎？我咪喺度咯。
Wow, this is amazing. I can't believe this is the same place we used to play when we were young. You really like it? Absolutely. Some of my favorite memories are playing with you in this room. And there's nothing better than seeing it full of friends. Hello, everyone.
Hello。
We are so glad you're here, especially on summer snow days. We asked the greatest artists in the area to create these sculptures. Each one represents a different spirit of the forest. They're beautiful. There's earth, fire, and water. These spirits helped me discover who I am, to see my true self.
水，我最中意水啊！唔係，我最中意風或者土。但係煲到嚟係火喎，佢咁可愛。
Anna, let's see which of these spirits our new friends connect with.